Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Squarespace, how to create and customize a website on Squarespace for travel, itinerary, business, easy and quick. So as we know, Squarespace is a website building tool that makes it easy for anyone to create their own website without needing to know how to code. It offers templates and tools to help you design and customize your site. So first choose the topic, so travel, and the type. Okay, now let's move on to the travel templates. You can start with one of these here. Also you can build your own template, so let's get started from here. Okay, so first enter here your business name, type any name you like, any name match with your business. Here you're gonna build your homepage section by section, add in as many or as few sections as you need. So the first section, the intro section, must be an attractive section, so you can do whatever you like. You can choose anything and do whatever you like to make your site looks better and attractive, to attract more people and more customers. Okay, now let's move on. Add page to your site, choose the color, choose any color you like, any color match with your business, and also the font, choose any font. And let's move on, let's continue. Here you can choose if you want to continue and describe, add the description and describe your website and your products, and choose the writing style, if you want to just skip. Okay, for me I'm gonna skip this. You can continue if you want, it doesn't matter. Okay, here you can edit your home page. Okay, so wait a few seconds. Okay, so first click here, edit. Okay, click edit, and the first thing here, you have to change this text here to introduce your brand. For example, you can type welcome to our site, welcome to our site for travel itinerary templates. Okay, like this. And now you can go to the background, and you can choose just a simple art if you want, and it's much better to use image as a background. Okay, so go to the free image or premium image and search on travel itinerary. Okay, so I'm gonna choose this, and now let's move on to the text on this label. You can change it, just click on it and you can change here whatever you like. Okay, for example like this. You can add the section, just click here and you can select what kind of section you want to add on your home page. Also you can add anything on your section, image or text or video or button. You can move this section, you can move it down or up, or you can save it from here, you can duplicate it. Also you can edit the site header from here, you can change the site title if you don't like it. You can upload the logo image as a file or from library, and also you can add the mobile logo image. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section. So first here you have to change the wave intensity and the text size like this. It's much better. Okay, so first delete this image, add another one. Alright, for example, okay, I'm gonna choose this. Here you can use this space to talk about your shop and your products, how and where are they made and what makes them unique. So before do that, you can change from paragraph 2 to heading 4 to make it more clear and more attractive, so like this. And after this you can change the topic of this text here. So now in the background you don't have to add the image as a background, just a simple art, it's much better like this. Okay, now let's move on. The same thing here, just a simple art. And instead of this image you can add, for example, a map. Okay, so here you can add your business name, your address in the city, in the state, in the country. Also you can change the design of the map like this. After this, change the background. That's it. Now let's move on to the last section. So add the background, and after you're done from designing your website and customizing it, you can go to the settings section and in the dashboard, and you can add the product to your inventory and choose the subscription plan and add the way to get paid. And the last step is publish your website and start selling. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.